When pairing your PowerSight analyzer to PSMA on your computer, first connect the analyzer to the computer physically with the USB cable. The small micro USB end of the cable goes into the bottom of the meter. If your sound is on, you should hear the ring of windows acknowledging a new device. Then go into your PC settings, click Devices, and scroll down until you find a device titled ST Microelectronics Virtual COM Port. The COM number in parentheses is what we want to know for the next step. In this case, we have COM32. This COM port will always be the one you use for USB cable connection to any PowerSight. With that information, open the PSMA software, hit Click to Connect to establish communications with your meter, and select the right COM port from the drop-down. For me, it's COM32. You may wish to assign a label to this COM port, such as USB cable, for quick reference in the future. Then click Connect, and your PowerSight is paired successfully. One advantage of using USB is that the same COM port is used for whatever PowerSight is connected at the moment, whereas Bluetooth requires pairing with each PowerSight to obtain a unique COM port for every meter.